Howdy y'all. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of my fire alarm storage unit. Someday I'll do a more detailed video of my whole collection, which is massive as you can see. But for now I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. Here I have some old Wheelock speakers and some strobes lined up, sitting on top of a stack of Spectra alerts. 2001 Radionics FC73 FedSig branded Mercom panel. That was my first panel. 4007 ES Simplex NAC extender. Back there is a 4004. Made this thing, but it was gonna look a lot better, but I was missing the right conduit, so I just left it as is. Some more miscellaneous devices. Edward strobe in the box, a Wheelock strobe in here, some addressable modules, smoke, bells. My biggest acquisition period. This is a Federal Signal Power Tone, which is like a rebranded, I don't remember what it's called, something EVAC 2101. Very cool panel. I do have a speaker strobe in each of these. Old Fenwal releasing panel. Behind it is a Fike Cybercat. I'm probably going to be selling that kind of soon. Faraday NPC 2000 and what is this? MS5UD, I believe. More boxes of alarms. This is one of my rarest pull stations. A Kidde B5 style Halon pull. I'm not going to dig through the boxes right now, but just kind of giving you an idea. Fenwal smoke, bunch of miscellaneous devices, broken Edward speaker strobe thing. One of my oldest notification blinds is an old Holzer Cabo bell. Some more devices. Wheelock Halon 7002. What is this? EHDL2. Broken Edwards horn. Federal Signal ceiling speaker strobe. My first one out of 3. The bell doesn't work. Some more Wheelock devices. Some of these are pretty rare. More miscellaneous Wheelock devices, nothing really special in here. Box of a bunch of miscellaneous alarms, largely Wheelock. I focus on Wheelock if you can't tell. Broken, I want to say this is a 7012. Yeah, it is. Doesn't work at the moment. I think this is a FCI BG12. MS95 or MS7, something along those lines. I got like 5 of these brand new CHDF1s on the understanding they were broken, and they all had the same issue. I've removed the circuit board from this one for further troubleshooting, but I have like 5 like this. More devices in there. 425130 down in there. Got that stopper a couple weeks ago. Kill-Arc explosion-proof pull station, test switch. This is a flame detector. Some miscellaneous Simplex devices in there. Another box, mostly Wheelock. Very pristine 7001. Is that a T? No, just regular 7001. 80T branded 7001, new in box. Probably a couple of Pyrotronic strobes or CWSCs, something along those lines. More devices. I believe this is a, can't really tell, but this is a ceiling mount Halon strobe. All faded off. Another one of those Halon 7002s. And, what's this? Wheelock 3120. Oh, right. This is the Notifier branded one, I believe. Yeah, it is. More miscellaneous devices. On top is some Gamewell branded Wheelock stuff. Cedar, yada yada yada. I think there's a Potter Bell or Federal Signal Bell down in there. There's a few more miscellaneous devices. New Potter Bell. And just some parts and whatnot in here. Alright, there's a brand new Simplex Chevron in these boxes, with the other box being... Oop, goodbye, sync module. The other box being its back box. Spanish BG8. Another sync module. Anyway, that's about it. That's been a quick overview. Someday, like I said, I'm going to do a extended overview of my whole collection, and that's going to be a very challenging video to make, so it's not going to be anytime soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.